Hi guys, welcome to Tech is Fun. This is my very first video of my YouTube channel. So pardon me if anything is not perfect. I'll try my best to be as good as possible. So in this video we are going to talk about the very basics of Linux command, all the Linux commands for beginners, which will help you for kickstarting or getting at least started in the Unix based operating systems, which will include Mac OS as well. And some of the commands are similar or they are same as in Windows operating system, so they can be used in any operating systems, some basic commands. So let's get started. The first command which is very important is mkdir, which means make directory. Directory is a folder, simple folder. We call folder in Linux and we call directory in operating systems. So a folder is something in which you can store your contents. So just write the name of your directory. I'll just write dir1. So this is made. Your directory is made. Now you can store your contents in this dir1 folder or directory. Now to remove this directory, you just write rmdir, which means remove directory, and then the directory name, that is dir1. So it gets removed. Now you don't see anything here, which means that your directory is successfully removed. If you saw some error, like if I write dir1, now it is already removed, but now if I try to remove the directory which does not exist at all, then it will give me an error that no such file or directory was found, because this directory was already deleted. Now it is not able to find any directory named dir1, so it showed an error. So these were the two basic commands. Now files. To simply make a file of 0 bytes, you just write touch and file name, and I'll just write file1, touch file1, which means that a file of name file1 having size of 0 bytes was created using the touch command. Now to see the contents of file1, you have to write cat and file1. As here we have no contents in file1, it will show us nothing. To add contents to this file1, you can write greater than cat greater than and file1. Greater than will append contents to the file1 file. So I'll just write hello there. Now to exit from this file, you press Ctrl D. Now if you try to view the contents of file1, then it will show us. Now again, if I try to append, which means that this content will be there as it is, and the new content which I try to write here, that is hey there, will be appended in the next line to hello there. So now there will be 2 lines in my cat file1, hello there and hey there. Now to completely overwrite both of these lines, to completely overwrite them, you just have to write cat greater than, one greater than sign, and then file name. So this will completely overwrite both the lines here. So I'll just write tech is fun and Ctrl D. Now if I try to view the contents, they have been overwritten by tech is fun line. So this was the cat command. Now another command is cd command. Now I'll just make one directory, make the mkdir dir1, and now if I want to go into this directory dir1, that is if I want to change my currently working directory. Now for currently working directory, there is one command, presently working directory pwd, which will show me in which directory I am currently working in. So just now I am in /home/my3. The whole Linux file systems I will be explaining in another video, because it is very important to understand the file system hierarchy which is being used in the Linux by the Linux kernel. So this is my /home/my3. Now if I want and this directory dir1 is being stored in /home/my3/dir1. Alright, so now if I want to change my directory to dir1, then I can just write cd change directory dir1, which will change my directory to dir1. So now if I try to see this pwd, it will show me this path, which is correct. Alright, now I can create any type of files, I can create any type of another directories inside this dir1 directory. So now if I want to see the contents of this directory, that what files or what directories or what type of data is stored in dir1, then I can write list ls, which will show me what directories or what files are being stored in dir1. I'll just delete this dir1 or you will get confused, and I'll write make dir11. Now if I try to list it, then you can see that in this dir1 directory, inside this dir1 directory, dir11 directory and file1 file is stored. Alright, now there is one option, ls space -l. If you write this command, then it will show some more information regarding the contents of dir1. So it is showing me that there are total 4 contents in this dir1, these 2 files, and there are 2 hidden files which are already always there inside any directory. So the total is 4. Now these are permissions. This I'll cover it in another video. So these are just the permissions. This is showing me the user, the owner of the directory. This is the group owner of the directory. This will be the size of the directory. This is the last modification, date and time of the directory. And this 2 over here, I forgot it to mention, it is showing the how many contents are there inside dir11 directory, and this file1 is showing it is only a single file, so it is showing 1, but dir11, as I said earlier, will contain 2 hidden files which are already there inside any kind of directory you make. So this is right now empty, but it is showing 2, that there are 2 files or there are 2 content in dir11 which are hidden. Alright, now the next command, which is very important, which will always come to your rescue at any point of time, are man and help commands. Both are different commands. So let's first talk about man command, which is a manual command. Will help you in finding about how to use the particular command, or how to execute command, or what is the syntax of that command, and what are endless options of that command. So first we'll simply man about mkdir. Okay, so this is showing me the whole manual of how to what is the name of the command, what is the syntax of the command, how to use it in the command line, some description about it. These are the options. These are options which will show the different options which can be used, using which you can efficiently use that command. Like the version, it will show the version, and all this other information about the command, author, and everything. We'll just manual about ls command, which is very important actually. Ls list directory contents. This is the syntax of the command. Every command will have this thing called options. This options using which are these dash a, dash capital A, dash dash author, dash b. All these are called options, which can be used to effectively use that command, or use that command at its best to actually filter out the information. Like, yeah, so yeah, this dash a, ls dash a will show all the hidden files also. As I told you, every empty directory or every directory will have hidden files, and ls-a command will show all the hidden files, all the directories including hidden files. Then these are the different commands. One important was dash l command here, dash small l, which is a long listing format. As I told, it will show us some more information about it, like the group owner, the user owner, the size of the single file or directories inside the content, etc. These are different options. You can go through it using this command. To quit, you can just write q, just press q and it will quit. Now there is one more command called help command, which will show all the options and how to use that option and what are those options used for in a minimized manner. It is not as much big as a manual. It is a short it is kind of short manual. So if I write ls dash dash help, then it will show me this kind of a short manual. It is not showing all that description or who was the author and etc etc. It is just showing me simple, like this dash a option is there, what it is used for, like, right. So this is kind of a short manual. So now there is one more last command which I wanted to cover, was remove command. Remove command is used to remove files and directories. We already saw how to remove a directory using rmdir, but now we'll see how to remove a file. Currently we have one file called file1, and we can remove that file using rm file1. Now if we check, then it is not there. Alright, so, and you can also remove a directory using rm command using rm-r, which is to recursively remove all the content which are inside this dir any directory. Here I'll remove dir11. So it will remove everything inside it also, dir11. Now if I check, there is nothing in this directory. Alright, so thank you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Pardon me if I am stopping in between, I'll improve upon it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comment sections how you liked it.